What's up, guys? We're out here today, fallen timber. We're gonna ride one of the only, if not the only, legal government trail out here. It's gonna be a good time, a good day, good weather, all by ourselves out here. It is a Monday, so that helps. Let's get it. Get a little warm up in before we go. Yeah. So we came further north today, up to fallen timber, just to try and get our studs and some white stuff. Because everything, you know, about 20 minutes south of where we usually ride. And man, you're just riding on the dirt and rocks now, so thought it'd be fun to get out here on some ice and snow again, and you know, use the tires to their full potential. All right, here's the trailhead, the start of the government loop. This first section is pretty fun. It gets really ruddy. Up in here. Yeah, we got some snow. It's a little bit slick. Feels good though. Been ridden a little bit. This section's usually just disgusting in the summer. This fucking hole, muck hole. Tight turns. Really tight turns. Some good, decent traction with the studs on today. Fucking bobsled track. Oh, gotta stop. Stiffen up, buddy. What? Gotta loosen up a bit here. I'm getting the cramps. Oh no. Woo. Oh yeah. Okay. Really fucking tight switchbacks here. These are kind of neat coming back up. Oh. Gotta get the ass to the rear of the bike today. Help steer. Because you can't trust that front tire, man. Not today. Gotta lean. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A little bumpy. Coming up to our little crossing here. A little bit of a tricky pace sometimes, especially when it's wet out. Those rocks are fucking slippery. Yeah, buddy.
That was fun.
Fuck yeah. Well, it's time to lighten the load. Cheers, bud.